In previous session, we learned about interfaces and its usages. In this session, we'll learn about embedding types and structures within the structures, how to declare pointers within the structure. All these combinations will see how it works. Let's talk about Golang embedded types as part of this session. In Go, there are several type of embedding that can be used to extend the functionality of a struct or interface. Here are some examples of embedding types in Go. First one is like a struct embedding. Struct embedding is the process of including one struct type inside another struct type. This is a way to compose a new structure from existing ones. For example, the type here is a person, has a name and age, and the struct employee has the person as a embedded and salary is the new field of the employee structure. So second thing is like a pointer embedding. The pointer embedding is a technique for embedding a type as a pointer instead of as a value. This is useful when you want to modify the embedded type in place. For example, in this case, employee pointer, which has the person structure as a pointer, right? So interface embedding. Interface embedding is similar to struct embedding, but it is used with the interfaces. This is a way to combine the behavior of multiple interfaces into a single interface. For example, there is a writer interface which has a function with write and it will take inputs as a bytes and it will return integer and error. And there is another interface called closer. So write closer, actually this interface has the both interfaces as embedded inside that. And fourth one is like anonymous embedding. Anonymous embedding is a shorthand syntax for the struct and interface embedding. Instead of explicitly naming the embedded type, you can use an anonymous field. For example, here string. There is no name for this. This is an anonymous field. Let us see simple code actually. This code file I will share with you guys. Here, if you see that person is a struct which has a name and age of type string and integer respectively, and employee type will embed the person struct inside that. Similarly, employee pointer struct will have the pointer of a person embedded here actually, the pointer of the struct person. And employee anonymous thing, actually if you see the string which doesn't have any name here, but still you can use that field here. And similarly, like interface embedding, you can see the interfaces like write interface, closure interface, and write closure interface will have both writer and closure interfaces inside that.